What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create your own instrument. Okay, recently I did a film scoring for a horror film and I was looking for eerie sound, but I couldn't find anywhere. So what I did, I just looked for some samples and I cut some of the frequency from that samples. I created a couple of instruments from that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I did that. Let's get started.
Let's go now and lose ourselves. Shake up all of our strength. Dive deep down the pain. Drowning your love for days.
Okay, I have a cool Rhodes sample here. I got it from the stock Cubase library. I'm going to play it for you. Okay, so we are not gonna sample the sound. We're gonna actually find interesting frequency from this sample and then create a new instrument. So this is not a standard sampling method, right? So this is more kind of advanced technique. So I'm gonna click on this audio event and go to extension and grab Spectralayers. Okay, here I can actually click on this rectangle icon and then I can select the frequency that I want to hear. Okay, and I can audition the frequency, right? Okay, say I like this frequency. What I can do, I can adjust it even more precisely by going to this button here. Just click and hold and you get this transform selection. And I can adjust the frequency more precisely with this tool, right? That sounds good. Okay, say I like this frequency. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to select and select invert selection. Okay, once I select the invert selection, all I have to do is just press the backspace key to delete all the other frequency and keep only the one I just selected. So hit backspace to delete. So now I have this one frequency to work with, alright? So once I've deleted the frequency, I'm going to go to this event here. I'm going to shift, right click and bounce selection. Okay, now I got this one note, but I'm gonna delete the rest of it. Okay, now I'm gonna bounce this one more time. Okay, I'm gonna go to sampler control and drag this note to the sampler track. And you can click on this button here to normalize it. Okay, now we're going to find the frequency of this note. So let's go ahead and click on this channel settings and I'm going to press the note C here. Okay, it shows me the fundamental note, which is G#4. So I'm going to tune it to the right note. Not showing C. Okay, I noticed there's some kind of like hiccup here, so I'm just gonna drag the end and add a fade out. Okay, let's add some kind of effect and go and put some delay on top. Let's add some reverb. That sounds good. Okay, let's add some kind of filter here. Okay, let's go with clipping. You also play with the amp envelope. Okay. So that's how you can create your own instrument. It's very simple and it's one of my favorite things that I like to do. Okay guys, so that's it for today's. I hope you find some value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to thumbs up, turn on notification, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.